Critical issues with Bisi Adewale.
Can I keep secret from my wife till I'm done with what I'm doing? The reason is that anytime I talk to her about our next project in the house, shockingly, I will hear it from her mom or any other member of her family. She just talk too much. Should I start keeping secret from her?
Critical issues with Bisi Adewale.
This is Critical Issues with Bisi Adewale. Thank you for joining me in this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, YouTube at Bisi Adewale, and put on the notification so that you can be part of these critical issues with Bisi Adewale, where I answer so many questions bordering issue of family, relationship, parenting, marriage, and some other aspect of life. By 6 a.m. every day, I post a picture, a video. 6 a.m. every day, I post video on YouTube at Bisi Adewale. So please quickly go there now and subscribe and put on the notification. Thank you. The question before me is about a woman that talk too much, and the husband is thinking whether he should start keeping secret from her so that she will not go to town to report about their plans. This is a very crucial question, but I want to say this: the best thing to do is to sit her down and discuss your observation with her and tell her that you notice that she talked too much to her family, revealing your secret, your plan, and everything to them. I don't think you have discussed this one to her. What your wife lacks is ability to build a boundary. She may not know how to build a boundary in marriage. A lot of people do not. As soon as you sit down and you take a teaching about boundary building in marriage, this will help you a lot. This will help her a lot to be able to know who to talk to, who not to talk to. Sincerely with you, I will not encourage you to start keeping secret from each other, because if you start keeping secret from you, what will happen is you begin to drift apart. You begin to grow wide apart, and this will allow third party, intruder, and even the devil to come between you and strike you. So sit your wife down, discuss with her, tell her who to talk to, who not to talk to, then take a teaching, a lecture, a training about boundary building in marriage. You know that millions and millions of married couples have never taken a teaching about boundary building in marriage, and this is affecting a lot of them. They don't know where to draw the line. They don't know where to draw the line, and it will really help you if you take this training. And I will encourage you to get our books, Fight for That Marriage, 100% Marriage, 8 Desperate Need of Your Husband, 8 Desperate Need of Your Wife. These 4 books will transform your marriage and make your home a place to be. So see the number on your screen, quickly call that number and order for the book now, or go to familiarbooks.com to order for your book. familiarbooks.com. Go there straight to download the ebooks. Thank you for joining me in this particular video. Always remember, people will always have critical issues, and God has supernatural solutions.
Now, you can make your marriage sweeter, stronger, better, tantalizing, and more romantic by joining our 31 Days Marriage Makeover Bootcamp, where you're going to watch 34 uncommon videos on intimacy, finance, sex, romance, and lots more that will turn your marriage around forever. quickly go to familiarcourses.com and start the journey of fruitful, blissful, and successful marriage now. You get it at 75% discount if you get the course today.